Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use advanced fuse in Archero 2. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So now the advanced fuse is a feature that lets you combine multiple high level gear pieces to create stronger or rare equipment. It's mainly used when you've collected lots of duplicates and want to push your gear to the next tier. Now there's a few different ways how to unlock this or steps to use this advanced fuse. So the first thing we need to do is unlock the feature. So advanced fuse unlocks after you reach a certain level progress in game. Make sure you've upgraded your basic fuse system first. Then from here we need to go to the Forge Fuse menu. So click onto your gear, and then from here click on the blacksmith. Then from here click on to advanced fuse, and then select the advanced fuse tab as I've just demonstrated. So this is separate from the normal fuse. Then from here simply select your gear. So choose 3 or more pieces of the same rarity, usually purple or above, and gear must be of the same type, for example weapons, armor, ring, etc. Then from here simply fuse your higher tier. So when you fuse, you're choosing gear pieces combined into a higher rarity version. For example, 3 times epic equals 1 legendary, or 3 times legendary equals 1 mythic or higher tiers depending on updates. Then from there, confirm and pay costs. So you'll need coins and fuse stones plus essence to complete this process. Hit fuse and your stronger gear will appear.